How to fix Telegram contact syncing issues. If your Telegram contacts are not syncing, here's how to resolve it. Start by ensuring that Telegram has permission to access your contacts. On Android, go to Settings, then tap on Apps. From here, find Telegram and tap on Permissions and check that contacts are enabled. Without this permission, Telegram can't sync your contacts properly. Next, make sure your contacts are stored in the correct account and that they are synced with your device. If you are using Telegram on PC, check that your phone number is registered and connected properly to your Telegram account. Sometimes contact syncing issues can arise if there's a problem with your account registration. Try logging out and logging back in to see if that resets the syncing process. If you are still having trouble, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to fix any corrupted data. Did this solve your issue? Let me know in the comments below. After this fixes, your contacts would sync seamlessly and you will be able to connect with everyone on Telegram. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.